Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this love pain, yeah? Ooh.
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a plan with me in my business planner. I use this to manage the day-to-day events and task lists that I have to do with my magazine Paper Planner Essentials. So today I'm going to be planning for the week of July 6th through the 12th. So I'll go ahead and take these pages off of the disc. And for this week I have decided to use the Detailed Florals book. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish I'll be back. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and put this back on the disc. So I really like these florals. These are so gorgeous. So, but I think, as I'm looking at it, I don't think I like this on these yellow discs. So, don't think I like it against these yellow discs. Now, I'm one who sometimes I just change out the covers of my planners. And that's what this is. This is actually a Happy Notes. And I put the inside here. So what I may do is put this page in another Happy Notes. Like, for instance, I have this one that has these pink discs. So I may just take these pages out and put them in this planner, or this Happy Notes rather. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, yeah. That's really cute up against those pink discs. I don't know. We'll see. But I think that's cute. So I may have to take out some of my pages from that planner and just switch out and put them in here, because that is really pretty. Or at least, you know, when I get ready to take my pictures, that's probably what I will do. So, I don't know. All right, guys, so that's it. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.